We have the Giants.
We know you.
Who created the Giants?
I did. That would be Kayla.
You did. Cool. Good job. Wow, I am zoomed in.
Hey, I got her the job.
Wow. Okay. And we have the Patriots.
Who are gonna win?
Right here. Oh, I see it now. Caleb. It goes over the top.
Thanks.
Patriots. That guy. They are going into this device.
Called the microwave.
And we are gonna go. Let's just put it for 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay. This is science at work.
It was eggs gonna take it like a channel.
We'll see. Uh oh, I hope they don't fall over.
You're gonna need a new microwave. Where are they both?
There's a chance I might need a new microwave.
Anybody got a fire extinguisher?
Nope.
I have a bottle of pop.
Luckily, we're close to the sink, so we can just spray it down.
Okay. There's a bottle opener out there.
Uh oh, one fell over.
Oh no! Save it!
Does that change anything?
The Patriots fell over.
No, that just means
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, they just tripped a bit.
It's okay. They'll come back. They'll come back.
They'll come back.
They're not
Keep
gonna just
rises
magically.
so they won't be as hot. So
What?
they won't explode as fast.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I don't see any like oozing yet.
Oh.
I hear some cooking though, don't you?
Yeah.
What if they just turn like hard noodles?
The Giants are wobbling.
Ooh, Giants are wobbling. It's a sign.
One internet video I seen it actually like went.
Oh, let's not hope that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Once I put a peanut butter and jelly jar in there. I'm gonna put a peanut butter jar in there.
Whoa! And the Giants are gonna lose.
Yes!
Here, take that out, Caleb.
I missed really hot.
Grab it by the paper. Okay, so what's gonna happen is the Patriots are gonna fall over in the first half, but the Giants are gonna come back and win.
What? The Giants
Here,
are
let's
gonna
see
lose.
it. Let's see it. Let's set it down
I thought
here.
the Giants were gonna lose.
What?
The Giants lost.
Yeah, the Patriots fell over though in the first half or something.
Yep.
There it is, folks.
Ha. I'm very sciencey.